Traveling to a new tourist city is an exhilarating experience, offering the promise of discovery, adventure, and cultural immersion. However, navigating unfamiliar streets and neighborhoods can be challenging, requiring a blend of preparation, adaptability, and a keen sense of exploration. We will explore various strategies and tips to help tourists confidently navigate a new city, ensuring a more enriching and stress-free travel experience. Research and planning. Before setting foot in a new city, thorough research is essential. Familiarize yourself with the city's layout, major landmarks, and public transportation options. Utilize online maps and travel guides to identify key areas of interest, ensuring you have a basic understanding of the city's geography. Learn the local transportation system. Efficiently navigating a new city often involves mastering its public transportation system. Research bus and subway routes, ticketing options, and schedules. Understanding the public transportation network can save both time and money, providing a convenient way to explore various parts of the city. Walking tours and exploration. One of the best ways to intimately connect with a new city is by taking walking tours. Many cities offer guided tours that take you through historical landmarks, hidden gems, and local hotspots. Walking not only allows for a closer examination of the surroundings, but also promotes a more authentic experience. Embrace technology. In the age of smartphones and travel apps, technology can be a powerful ally for navigating a new city. Install navigation apps, language translation tools, and city guides to enhance your on-the-go experience. These tools can provide real-time information, helping you navigate streets, find attractions, and even discover local events. Local cuisine exploration. Navigating a new city involves not only finding your way through its streets but also through its culinary landscape. Explore local markets, eateries, and street food vendors to immerse yourself in the city's gastronomic delights. Local food can often be a gateway to understanding the culture and traditions of a place. Seek local advice. Locals are invaluable resources when it comes to navigating a new city. Strike up conversations with residents, ask for recommendations, and seek their advice on hidden gems or off-the-beaten-path attractions. Their insights can lead to unique and memorable experiences. Cultural sensitivity. While navigating a new city, it's crucial to be culturally sensitive. Respect local customs, traditions, and norms to ensure a positive interaction with the community. Understanding and appreciating the local culture can also enhance your overall travel experience. Safety first. Prioritize your safety while exploring a new city. Be aware of your surroundings, especially in unfamiliar neighborhoods. Keep important belongings secure, and be cautious when using public transportation. Familiarize yourself with emergency contact numbers and the location of the nearest embassy or consulate. Language basics. Learning a few basic phrases in the local language can go a long way in navigating a new city. While many people in tourist destinations speak English, making an effort to communicate in the local language can enhance your interactions and demonstrate cultural respect. Offline maps and backup plans. While technology is valuable, it's essential to have a backup plan. Download offline maps to your smartphone in case of connectivity issues. Additionally, carry a physical map as a reliable backup, ensuring you can navigate even if your electronic devices fail. Utilize tourist information centers. Most tourist cities have information centers, equipped with maps, brochures, and knowledgeable staff. Visit these centers upon arrival, to gather useful materials and get personalized recommendations. Information centers can be invaluable resources for navigating a city efficiently. Time management. Efficient navigation in a new city requires effective time management. Plan your itinerary in a way that minimizes travel time between attractions, allowing you to make the most of your visit. Be mindful of opening and closing hours for museums, landmarks, and other points of interest. Group tours and excursions. Consider joining group tours or excursions to explore specific areas of the city. These organized experiences often include transportation, knowledgeable guides, and the opportunity to meet fellow travelers. Group tours can be a great way to navigate a new city without the stress of planning every detail. Stay flexible. Despite meticulous planning, unexpected events can occur while navigating a new city. Stay flexible and open to changes in your itinerary. Embrace serendipity and be willing to deviate from your original plan, to explore unplanned but intriguing opportunities. Use landmarks as guides. In unfamiliar surroundings, landmarks can serve as reliable navigation points. Identify prominent buildings, statues, or unique structures that can help you orient yourself within the city. Using landmarks as guides can prevent getting lost and make navigation more intuitive. Public Wi-Fi and connectivity. Stay connected to the internet to access real-time information and navigation tools. Many cities provide free public Wi-Fi in popular areas, such as parks or city centers. Take advantage of these networks to enhance your connectivity while exploring the city. Transportation apps for convenience. In addition to general navigation apps, consider using transportation-specific apps for greater convenience. Ride-sharing services, bike-sharing apps, and public transportation apps can simplify your journey and offer alternative modes of transportation. Document your discoveries. Create a travel journal or use a digital platform to document your experiences and discoveries in the new city. Not only does this serve as a personal memento, but it also helps you remember key locations, favorite spots, and useful tips for future reference. Engage with the local community. Immersing yourself in the local community can significantly enhance your navigation experience. Attend local events, festivals, or community gatherings to connect with residents and gain a deeper understanding of the city's cultural fabric. Navigating a new tourist city is an art that combines preparation, adaptability, and a sense of adventure. By conducting thorough research, embracing technology, respecting local customs, and staying open to unexpected opportunities, travelers can turn the challenge of exploration into a rewarding and enriching experience. With these strategies in mind, every corner of a new city becomes an opportunity for discovery, making the journey itself as memorable as the destinations visited. Hope you enjoyed the video. Do not forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching.